Looking for a hair clipper that combines the power of corded models with the freedom of cordless use? The Wahl Lithium-Ion Haircutting Kit delivers exactly that, a smooth, no-fuss haircut experience without the hassle of cords. With up to 2 hours of runtime on a single charge, you can tackle multiple haircuts without stopping. Plus, a 15-minute quick charge option gives you instant power when you're in a rush. What makes this kit stand out is its advanced lithium-ion battery technology. Not only does it charge fully in just 3 to 5 hours, but it also holds a charge for up to a year when not in use. That means your clipper is ready whenever you are. The motor packs 50% more power than standard Wahl clippers, slicing through thick hair effortlessly. The premium self-sharpening precision blades stay razor-sharp longer, ensuring every cut is smooth and quiet, no snags, no pulling. The kit includes 10 secure snap-on attachment guards, plus ear taper guards with easy-to-read sizes, giving you total control over your look. An adjustable taper lever lets you blend and fade with precision, just like a professional barber. Wahl has been a trusted name in salons and barber shops since 1919, and this kit brings that professional quality right to your home. If you're tired of struggling with cords or clippers that lose power mid-cut, this kit is worth a look. It's designed for convenience without compromising on performance. Whether you're trimming your own hair or giving your family a fresh cut, the Wahl Lithium-Ion Haircutting Kit makes it simple, clean, and comfortable every time. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your grooming routine. Ready to experience cordless freedom with professional results? The Wahl Lithium-Ion Haircutting Kit offers lasting power, precise cutting, and all the attachments you need to customize your style. With its quick charge feature and long battery life, it's built to fit your busy lifestyle. If that's you, this kit is waiting to help you look your best with ease.